And then we still have, well, it's not as heavy, we still have Garda Presence in Whitegate.
There was, it's just so like,
Yes, yeah.
you know, it's like, and fair play to them. They're doing good things, but it's blocking everyone.
Yeah, everybody that's involved in any side of it, right from the guards, probably not the politicians, because they're just they're all bashing each other against each other. If the politicians are bashing each other, then everybody else in the industry is going to bash each other.
Yeah.
And I have to say, like, if guards were sent to shut down Whitegate and get rid of the protesters, and they did that, and there was definitely instructions that were given that weren't followed, for sure.
Definitely.
But, no, we kind of wanted to play the ball, so I have 2 broken ones, as you can see. Yeah,
That's fine. We'll start too.
we will.
You're in good hands.
I am. Good hands, yes. Jess, can the sunshine please just come back?
I know. But honestly, sorry, this is Ireland. We don't get enough.
We don't get enough sun, no. We don't, no.
My friend is now, he's over in Spain. He's saying, like, he's rubbing in my face and every day he's texting me, oh yeah, we have sun now. Thanks.
Yeah.
Well, we have a thunderstorm.
I know, we were out for a walk in Woods the other day, and we came from my brother's house in Coyne, and we were in Rostellan Woods, and at Coyne side we could hear the thunder. And then as we were walking through the woods, we could see the sunshine, and while we were in the woods there was a massive hailstone, and by the time we got through it, it was glorious sunshine, so we had all sorts.
This is Ireland now, 4 seasons in one day.
4 seasons in one day,
Like,
exactly.
Just let me know if it's tender or anything.
I will. Oh goodness.
There's guards everywhere this morning.
There is, yeah. And is there much on the way up from